Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll be talking about how to activate your institutional email. So let's get into it. Open any browser of your choice and log into your student portal. Scroll down to where we have institutional email activation. You'll see a link which says click here for more details. Click on it to open the page. When the page opens, you'll see a list of options with steps how you can activate your institutional email and also your institutional email and the default password. Copy the institutional email given and the default password. After, open a new tab in your browser and let's get started. Tab opens. Search for Google Sign In to sign in to a new Google account. Type the email into the email box and click on Next. After, provide the password given into the box and click on Next. Google will welcome you to your new account and also provide information about the type of account that you have. After, you click on I understand so that you can move to the next page. Provide a new password for your account by filling in with the password you would like to use. Now that we are done with choosing the password, you can choose whether to save it with the browser, keep it in your mind so that you don't forget the password you've set. After choosing whether you want to save your password with the browser, you proceed to the right side where you have your profile. You click on it, you notice we have a caution message asking you to add your recovery phone number to your account and also a recovery email. You proceed and do all this by adding our phone number and our email to our account. Kindly don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We will continue by adding our recovery email to our account. After entering the recovery email, click on Save. After saving, you will notice we have a caution message under the email saying that it needs verification. So you go back to the pencil icon, you click on it and click on Send Code. Open your email app where we have the recovery code and enter into this code box, then click on Verify to verify the recovery email that you've added to your account. This brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. When you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment below and we will be ready to assist you. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next guide.